Welcome to an unforgettable journey along Poland's breathtaking coastline. In this video, we'll uncover hidden gems, secret beaches, and stunning coastal views, while enjoying the company of gorgeous bikini models who bring summer vibes to life. Imagine soft golden sands beneath your feet, gentle waves washing ashore, and the refreshing sea breeze. This is not just a travel vlog. It's an escape into Poland's best-kept coastal secrets. Stay with us for the next 10 minutes as we explore secret beach spots, share fascinating stories about Poland's coastline, and soak in the carefree energy of summer fashion and lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite beach destination. Maybe we'll feature it in our next video. As we begin our walk along the coast, notice how the beaches here stretch endlessly. The Baltic Sea is home to wide sandy shores, perfect for long strolls and peaceful getaways. Unlike crowded tourist spots, these hidden corners of Poland offer serenity and beauty untouched by mass tourism. Our bikini models add vibrancy to the scene, showing off the fun side of summer, fashion, confidence, and elegance. Their colorful swimsuits reflect the joy of the season. You can almost hear laughter in the distance and feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Did you know Poland's coastline runs for over 770 kilometers? From Gdańsk in the east to Świnoujście in the west, the Baltic shore offers countless hidden gems. Today, we are discovering those secret corners where beauty meets relaxation. Here, the hidden beaches invite you to slow down and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. The models walk gracefully along the shoreline, enjoying the soft sand between their toes. The sun reflects on the water, creating sparkling patterns that look magical. This is more than just a beautiful scene. It's inspiration. Imagine planning your own trip here, relaxing in a quiet bay, exploring secret dunes, or taking refreshing swims in the Baltic Sea. Poland's beaches may not be the first you think of when planning a European summer trip, but once you experience them, you'll realize they rival even the most famous destinations. And when combined with the charm of carefree bikini models enjoying the sunshine, it's a perfect picture of coastal paradise. Notice the summer fashion trends. The bikinis, accessories, and light cover-ups. Fashion plays an important role on the beach. It's about self-expression, confidence, and comfort. The models show us how style can blend with relaxation, whether walking along the coast or lounging under a beach umbrella. Every detail adds to the atmosphere. The sound of waves, distant seagulls, the soft rhythm of footsteps in the sand. This is not just about what you see. It's about what you feel. Take a moment to breathe deeply, relax, and imagine yourself here. The models highlight the joy of being present in the moment, laughing, enjoying the sun, and celebrating summer freedom. If you love travel, this is the perfect inspiration. Poland's hidden beaches are waiting to be discovered. You'll find quiet coves, natural dunes, and secret bays where you can disconnect from the noise of the world. Our models showcase the lively spirit of summer while reminding us that beauty is everywhere, sometimes in the places least expected. This is not just a beach walk, it's a discovery of lifestyle, culture, and nature. Think about your dream vacation. Maybe it's here, on the Baltic coast, where sunsets paint the sky with gold and pink, and the laughter of friends makes every evening special. As the camera follows the models on a longer beach walk, notice how endless the shoreline feels. It's almost meditative. Step by step, wave by wave, the rhythm of the sea creates a calming soundtrack. This is where travel meets mindfulness. The bikini models enjoy their carefree walk, symbolizing freedom and happiness. You don't need luxury resorts to feel joy. Sometimes a hidden beach and good company are all it takes. If you've ever wanted to escape daily stress, imagine being here. Toes in the sand, salty breeze in your hair, sunshine on your skin. That's the magic of Poland's secret coastal spots. As our 60-minute journey comes to an end, we've seen secret beaches, hidden gems, and the vibrant spirit of summer, captured by gorgeous bikini models. This experience reminds us to appreciate nature, embrace fashion and lifestyle, and discover beauty wherever we travel. Thank you for staying with us throughout this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more coastal journeys around the world. Comment below and tell us, which beach is your favorite? Until next time, stay inspired, stay adventurous, and keep enjoying the endless beauty of our world's coastlines.